DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts! What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We've got the Acdc Angus Young Funko Pop. Shout out to Entertainment Earth. This is available now on the site, and they guarantee mint condition, and they do not bill you until the product ships. So definitely, if you are looking to get this Funko Pop, head over there. I will link that in the description box below for your convenience. They also have the Rick James Funko Pop available there. They have the LeBron James Funko Pop available there. They got the Michael Jordan Funko Pop available there. And this is a very sought after Funko Pop, so do not sleep. Head over there now. And I'm pretty sure they may even have the Thor. I will link it all in the description box below for your convenience, along with this Angus Young Funko Pop. And the awesome thing about this one too, ordering it online, you have a 1 in 6 chance to get the chase. And it's always fun getting the damn chase. As you see, I have a couple of chases behind us right there. But right now, I'd love for you to bang that thumbs up button. Why? Because I'm about to take this Funko Pop out of the box. So bang that thumbs up and let's get into it. And there he is out of the box. I love his stance. Like, it really looks like him. It really captures that, man, with his guitar. The way that his legs are set and everything like that. It does come with a stand, too, which is a plus. I'm not using the stand just because I just want to shoot this quick because of the fact my battery is blinking right now. That battery light telling me I've got a lot of time left to record. I need to hurry it up. So that's why I'm just taking it out of the box, bong, and giving you that out of the box look and doing the balancing act at the same time. There's a side view. And there's a look at his back. Focus. And there is a look at his other side. And one close-up look at him. Love it. Great pop for the collection. There you go, with a close-up HD look at Angus Young. My favorite AC/DC songs, I'll say top 3. Hell's Bells, Back in Black, Shook Me All Night Long. I think that would be number 3 right there. There's a lot of other ones. Highway to Hell, I love. Thunderstruck is awesome. I mean, there's so many great songs. I mean, you know, when they put out records, it's like anthem after anthem after anthem. And it's just got good energy. How can you not love AC/DC? So, I mean, this is a great one to have in the collection. Let me know in the comment box below your top 3 AC/DC songs. Shoot right now. Leave it in the comments. If you don't know 3, let me know your favorite. Number 1, numero uno. Leave that in the comment box below. And don't forget, you can get this one now. I'm pretty sure pre-order still. I'm pretty sure it's still pre-order for Angus Young. Definitely pre-order for Michael Jordan and Rick James and LeBron James. And I'm pretty sure this you can order right now. So I will link a bunch of Funko Pops in the description box below for your convenience. Guaranteed mint condition. Leave also in the comments any Funko Pop you're looking for. Maybe I can help you out. Maybe someone else can help you out. It's always good to let the world know what you're looking for, because maybe she'll just be able to help you out. Shout out to my dude Red Strong. He knew I needed a Breaking Bad Funko Pop. The Gus one, he came through. I'm still looking for the half face of Gus, if anyone can help me with that. I'm also looking for the Mike Breaking Bad Funko Pop. So those are 2 that I'm searching for reasonable prices or trades. I love doing trades. It's fun to, you know, interact and do the trades, have pieces of each other's collection. I think it's a lot of fun. So hit me up on my Instagram at RealDJDelz or Delz Toy Show, and give me a follow on that, because I try to post a lot of photos and all that good stuff. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all have a great day. We out.